Hi, it's Jo from Minerva. Today we're going to have a look at our sewing machine and how we can look after it and maintain it between taking it for its main service. I always recommend that you take your sewing machine to your dealership or your local servicing outlet so that you can have your machine serviced properly, but between servicing you can make sure that you look after your machine. The first thing to do before you decide to do anything with your sewing machine is to get hold of your manual. If you haven't got your manual, you can sometimes download it from the internet if you check out the model number and look in the maintenance section and see what you can and can't do. If you're thinking of oiling your sewing machine, you will need to use only sewing machine oil, and it's a clear oil and you only need one tiny little drop. You're not oiling up a motorbike or greasing up a tractor. You will only have one or two specific places that you can put sewing machine oil, and that will be in your manual. By simply cleaning your sewing machine, you can keep it running the best that you can. So make sure that you get all of the lint out, you keep the feed dogs clean, and that you keep the bobbin case clean. Also, you can get the best stitch quality length by making sure that you use the right needle for the right fabric and that you use a new needle quite regularly. So here we go, let's have a look how we can just clean out the bobbin case of our sewing machine and also keep the rest of the sewing machine in good order. Thank you very much for watching. Do make a profile with Minerva, share your makes and your projects with us. We would love to see what you have made, and you can also check out other inspirational tutorials, sew alongs and videos where we help you along with your sewing journey. Thanks very much for watching. See you again soon.